The Mandarin duck, or X. galericulata, is a perching duck species native to the East Palearctic. It is medium-sized at 41 to 49 centimeters long with a 65 to 75 centimeters wingspan. It is closely related to the North America wood duck, the only other member of the genus X. The female will lay her eggs in a hole in the tree. Today her hatchings will come out of the nest. The mother calls the ducklings to come out of the nest and explore the outside world. He tried his first dive. It's fine for his thick, accommodating its heavy impact while in the air and crashing hard to the ground. And his last duckling to dive. Some of these ducklings will die and disabled during this dive. Very lucky for this mother duck, all her ducklings landed safely. Saying goodbye to his home, this duckling followed in his mother's footsteps. And so began his life's journey that will take on life challenges. Outside of its native range, the Mandarin duck has large introduced population in the British Isles and Western Europe, with additional smaller introductions in North America. Compared to other ducks, mandarins are shy birds, preferring to seek cover under trees such as overhanging willows and from smaller flocks, but may become bolder as a result of becoming tame from frequent interaction with humans. Mandarins feed by dabbling or walking land. They mainly eat plants and seeds, especially beech mast. The species will also add snails, insects, and small fish to its diet. In the spring, they mostly eat insects, snails, fish, and aquatic plants.